Hey guys, Ralph here. Welcome to True Power Trumpet Fitness on this fabulous Friday here in Connecticut. Life is good, man. Life is good. And this is going to be a little different today. A lot different today. I got this clip from Ray Rosario. Guys, this is hilarious, but we can take something from this. So I'm just going to have you listen to the clip. I'm not going to... guys, my B flats and Bs above double C are coming out. You'll be the first to know. Warts and all, you'll be the first to know. Anyway, this is a clip from the old Honeymooners show. All right, now, here's the deal. The Honeymooners, this was circa 1955-ish. Man, am I dating myself, right? But I remember it well. We used to listen to it, watch it all the time on Sundays. The star was Jackie Gleason, who was not in this clip. But they brought in a 12-year-old kid named Frankie Avalon, who turned out to be a major star in his own right, doing bikini movies with Annette Funicello and all that sort of stuff. Frankie and Annette were like Barbie and Ken. They were, the country's darlings. Anyway, 12 years old, he's playing the trumpet and tap dancing on the Honeymooners. Okay? Now, it's not great trumpet playing. You're going to hear in a minute. But here's the deal that I want you to keep in mind. Listen to that sound. Everybody back then, even 12-year-old kids, wanted to sound like Harry James. Listen to that buzz. Listen to that sizzle. Listen to that, they wanted to sound like Harry James. Guys, now, again, guys my age are just going to go, duh. But you new guys, back then there was no social media. There was 3 television channels. All right? Unless you had tickets to the New York Philharmonic, you were not listening. You didn't know what Vacchiano sounded like. There was a radio broadcast every now and then, but depending on what they were playing, if they were playing Mozart, you weren't hearing great trumpet playing. Okay? The Metropolitan Opera, Mel Broyles? Oh, please. Unless you had season tickets and you listen to the Ring of Nibelung by Wagner, you weren't listening to great trumpet. You didn't know who Mel Broyles was. It wasn't mainstream like this. But everybody knew who Harry James was. Everybody. And everybody wanted to be like him. Doc Severinsen admits he wanted to sound like him. Cat Arabic fronted his own big band when he was in high school, a la Harry James. Herseth, Mel Broyles, they all got, all those orchestral guys, they all got rid of the vibrato, but they all wanted to sound like Harry James. And a 12-year-old kid was not playing a Bach mouthpiece. No, I don't know what it was, but listen to that sound. I just got a kick out of it. And Ray Rosario, thank you very much. That is good for a chuckle on a Friday afternoon. And enjoy. We'll hit the ground running with some pedagogy on Monday. Love you all, guys. Love you all. Life's good, man.